What up, y'all? So, got my Moan Waller package here. I kind of opened it, but I haven't seen anything. So, this is definitely I gotta show this off. I usually don't do these sling mail reveal deals, so, but I am going to do it on Moan Waller, though. That's a Damascus target. That'll be nice to have. Oh, heck yeah. Sweet. Nice little natty. Dig it. Heck yeah. Alright, so here is the PFS. Mr. Clank. Oh. Oh, that's so sick. Like Christmas. The best part is my birthday's coming up. Oh my goodness. The mini. I love the eyes too. Oh my gosh. So sick. Today is Clank's debut. Look at that. So flippin' sweet, man. Just, I love how you can see through his eyes. Just, oh my gosh. This thing is sick. Moan, you rock, bud. Let's see what old Clank's got. I got I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but I got like a cute yellow whatever little rubber ducky right there. So let's go for that first. And then this thing is way smaller than I was expecting, though. I'll tell you that. He's just a baby. Ooh, man, I hit the holder, but I was right up underneath him. All right, now, Ratchet. This is the one I'm really waiting for. Oh. Moan Waller, you outdone yourself, my guy. Can't even get into him, so excited. Oh man, that is rad. So sick. Ooh, and it fits perfect. Ooh. Let's get this banded up and go do some slinging, y'all. Thanks, Moan. You rock, dude. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Got Ratchet all banded up, ready to do some slinging. These are the first shots with her. Gotta find my anchor point, so the first couple will be a little off. I am so stoked right now. Whoa, I'm low. Alright, just underneath her. I got it now. This is so badass right now. Smoke them monkey nuts. I'm gonna go for the Spanky Monkey 40mm over there. Ooh, just to the right. Got her. Alright, so I set up a white 40, a white 50, and then the monkey nuts are in the middle. Man, this thing just looks so rad, y'all. Just beautiful. Moan Waller, you the man. All right, well, Let's go with that 50 mil, and then I'll hit over to the 40 mil, then the monkey nuts. Spot on that 50. Oh, just underneath that 40. I don't know what it is with the 40 mil today, dude. I can't hit the side of that thing. There we go. Got them monkey nuts. Now let's go for the 40. Oh my goodness. That 40 does not want to be hit today. There we go. Smoke the 40. About time. I'm going to do one more on the 40, since that's been giving me trouble. There we go. Got the 40. Old Ratchet, the Moanwaller Ratchet, putting in some work. All right, got that alien set back up. We're gonna rock out Clank here. This little guy's so sweet. You can see his eyes really good. It's almost like I'm playing the video game. Fighting aliens and whatnot. Dang it, my ammo popped out. But got the alien though. So now we'll do the 40 and the 30 with this guy. Start with the 30 again, because that 40's been giving me trouble. Oh man, I couldn't have been any closer without hitting that dang thing. There we go. Got her to flip. Now we'll go with that 40. Ooh, just to the left. There we go. Smoked her on that one. The monkey nuts kind of popped out. I'm going to go for them real quick. Ooh, I tickled them. There we go. Got him. Old Ratchet and Clank putting in some work. Y'all have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one. Like always, y'all keep her between or over the forks. Later.